At a glance, the Comealong might appear somewhat intimidating, but in reality, they're pretty straightforward. Let's take a look at how to use one. This is a 4,000-pound Comealong purchased from a local hardware store. It's comprised of two main parts. There's the body that houses the spool and the lever arm. There's a latch on the body and there's a latch on the lever arm. This is the fixed end and this is the running end. All movement happens at the running end. Because of the design of the spool, moving the lever arm towards the fixed end will advance the spool and the lever arm is free moving towards the running end. To let out wire rope, disengage both latches and pull on the running end. To tighten and spool wire, simply move the lever arm toward the fixed end. To release wire rope when it's under tension, disengage the body latch, which will transfer the load to the lever arm, then move the lever arm towards the running end. The spool and arm will move in sync. You will notice here that the spool is not moving because I am not under tension. Re-engage the body latch and repeat the process as many times as needed to remove all tension from the Comealong. Now that you have a basic understanding of the Comealong, let me show you a common shortcoming. If you attach the running end of the Comealong to the sail and the fixed end to the anchor point and completely tighten it, the distance is still greater than the fully extended turnbuckle. This arrangement will not work to attach a turnbuckle or even a larger commercial bracket. A modified Comealong is necessary. Aside from showing wear and tear, you'll notice that this Comealong has been modified. We've detached the wire rope from the body and added the hook that used to be on the pulley. To the pulley, we've added a bow shackle, though you could use other hardware like a quick link or twisted shackle. There is still a fixed end and a running end, but now we've added a free-moving connector. This arrangement has gone from a 4,000-pound to a 2,000-pound Comealong. Let's take a look at how it's used. With the modified setup, the running end is attached to the sail, the additional free-moving connector is attached to the anchor point, and the fixed end is attached to the pole at a second anchor point, or to another pole, to a large tree, or other fixed nearby object. With the body of the Comealong out from between the sail and the anchor point, the gap is easily closed and the hardware can be installed.